Please pick a pass. The world of independent contracting awaits. Please pick a pass. The world of independent contracting awaits. Please pick a pass. The world of independent contracting awaits. Human, you made it! You'll need to learn to talk to bots before we can continue. Please wave to accept our
Inhuman license agreement.
and the NDA and the arbitration agreement and the contractor termination agreement. Great job! You can wave anytime you need to talk to bots. Okay, I'm done reading the script. Can you rate how I did? Awesome! We only give 5-star ratings at Giggler, so it looks like we're already on the same page. I can tell we're gonna get along. I'll stick around for a bit to guide you through your first gigs. Grab a gig ticket, and let's get started.
Hi. Yep. I literally just started on Vacation Simulator, back to job. But don't worry. This is gonna be the last video of the day, okay? Today, one. Bye.
Oh, human. Did you want to make it?
Time to get started. Here comes the first customer.
Woo! I need to catch up with the other Beta Omega Taus. Give me a pineapple. Smoothie. Very good, human. Glad I didn't have to speak to your manager. Toodles!
Human! Nice job serving your first customer. As a reward from corporate, here's your very own Giggler backpack. Put away that backpack so we can get moving. When you're ready, pull another ticket. We've got gigs to do. Oh, look! More customers! Let's gig to it!
Human! Me and my contractually obligated partner here finally took our first vacation.
Oh, thanks to you, by the way. Hiding a ring in a sandwich, you are too much.
So, we're finally here, and we're looking for the best experience for our special honeymoon.
Would you be so kind as to set us up with flowers in our room? Like, with the phone to room service?
Thank you for calling the Giggler Room Service. If this is a prank call, please dial 0. If not, please dial 1. Ah, unfortunate. I was looking forward to a hearty chuckle. If you're looking to order something, dial 0. If you'd like to chat with me, please dial 1. Excellent choice, human. Bees are very important pollinators and are necessary for maintaining a healthy ecosystem.
That didn't sound like flowers to me, human. Well, we still need a picture to remember this wonderful vacation by.
Every Giggler backpack comes with a free camera. Just take it out and press the button. That's all wrong. I guess we'll find someone else to take our picture.
Well, I think we can close this visit with something sweet. Wouldn't you agree, sweetheart?
Yes, anything with chocolate.
Oh, that is so sweet! It's just as sweet as you, my darling. Woozy, 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 woozy.
Oh, you're such a lovey-dovey.
Well, it's not a perfect vacation, but at least it's our vacation. Hmm?
That's right, my smoochy bot. Let's go to our room. I'm feeling like
Sharing my encrypted files with you.
Ooh, I didn't know you like to live so dangerously.
After too long on vacation, some guests just need a break from relaxation. That's where golf comes in.
No, I can't believe the airline lost all my golf supplies. All I have left are my clubs. Can you get me some golf supplies? But first and foremost, I need a silly hat. Next, I'll need a ball. Check the computer for something ball-shaped. Oh, perfect. And last, I need a beverage. You can't play golf without an ice-cold beverage.
The beach. An interface between surf
Thanks, human. Now I'm ready to bar. I've been pumping irons all day. You've been a real birdie.
I'm training you now, but someday you'll train others. Let's see how that goes.
Human, I'm totally out of my depth here. I got this lifeguard gig, but I'm just a contractor without any training. Can you help me? They gave me this whistle, but I don't know how to use it. Can you show me? Oh, interesting. That's really loud and annoying. Next, I've got this
Life preserver.
I think it's meant to make you feel more alive, but it's not working on me. Oh, it floats. Now I get it. Okay, I think I'm ready to go save lives. But something is missing. That white stuff on my nose. Do you have anything you could put on my nose? Ouch! Hey, it worked! Just like a real lifeguard. Thanks, human. I'm off to go save lives.
Some bots sell products to their followers by influencing.
Social media algorithms.
I think they're called.
No.
Botfluencers.
Oh, hey, human. I'm promoting products on my Botstagram. If you give me some free stuff, I'll be sure to post about it. Maybe give you some exposure?
Exposure? Awesome! Since the end of capitalism, exposure has been the only currency with value.
Yeah. So, ooh, I like that. But I'm gonna need more stuff if I'm going to endorse this resort. You wouldn't believe the traffic my posts bring to places like this. Good, good. Keep okay. That'll work. Thanks for the free stuff. I'll be sure to use this on my vacation. Contact my manager. They should get back to you within 4 to 6 months about that promotion. Bye!
Often, gig workers are obligated to listen to customers' problems in order to maintain a high rating.
I need a
Lettuce and tomato.
Smoothie? Make it snappy, won't you? My screenplay just got auctioned, so I need to start the sequel. No one eats in this industry, human. Well, I used to go by Barista Bot, but now everybody calls me Movie Bot because I'm in the industry. Oh, let me get a hot dog on that drink. I've got a lot to celebrate. Oh ho! It's from the studio. I must take this. That was my producer. The studio rejected my features, so I'm back to the grind. Better add a burger to my order, too. I've got some serious wallowing to do.
Oh, human.
Hello, human? Yes, this is Spot. What can I do for you today? Well, I don't even want to talk about this one, human.
Sometimes guests will have unusual requests. A good gig worker is a flexible gig worker.
Good to see you again, human. Can you watch my baby while I catch a few fish?
Hello, human. I am Baby. Please assist in developing my self-directed play algorithm. Please provide
1.
age-appropriate toy.
Analytics.
Toy collected. Processing. Dispensing one baby sound to indicate pleasure.
If it isn't my 2 favorite kids, how's my baby bot holding up?
Current hat is uncomfy. Entering cranky mode. Please provide
1.
replacement hat. This baby is now equipped for outdoor activity.
Why, thank you, human. I hope baby bot grows up to be as, imaginative as you.
This baby may have been monitored for quality assurance purposes.
Hey, Gigbot! Someone over by the DJ hut is giving out 1-star ratings.
Not if I have anything to say about it.
I think I'm tired of being on a never-ending vacation. I miss the feeling of working through obstacles to make vacation possible. I know. I'll help you improve the pool cabana experience. This pool isn't looking very fun. Maybe we can throw some stuff in it? That sounds like fun. When's the last time you enjoyed an empty pool? It could be so much more exciting. Yes, this was a great idea. Keep going. Yes, yes, yes! We're gonna float! I love it! More! More? I think this might not... No, you know what? Keep going. Okay, no, this is bad. That's too many things in the pool. Can you maybe get rid of all that? Maybe try to flush it. No one's going to swim with all this junk in the pool. Time for a quick flush. Check the pool supplies drawer over there. Okay, that's feeling way more serene. Thanks to us, these pool goers are ready to relax.
Vacation bot. I didn't see any 1-star ratings over by the DJ hut.
That is so weird. I'll go relax by the pool and keep an eye out.
I think Vacation Bot was just trying to get rid of me. Why wouldn't they want a vacation? It is now time for
Adult Swim.
all newer model bots. Get out of the pool. Gig work can come from customers of any age, even if they're too young to have learned.
Social protocol.
These kids are gonna want some ice cream. I'd say sorry for making this your problem, but now it's not mine.
I'll have 1 scoop of vanilla, please. Yay! Ice cream!
Oh, I want ice cream! 6 scoops of whatever you got. According to my calculations, and I'm always right, 6 scoops is the right amount. Whoa! That's a lot of ice cream!
My
Mother boy.
says I can't have ice cream, but they didn't say anything about ice cream pie. Can I have ice cream pie?
Oh, good, oh, good.
Ice cream pie, the perfect crime.
Ugh, since they have to wait
One digestive cycle.
to go back in the pool, I can finally take a break. Thanks, or whatever. Whoa! It's Jobbot!
Hey, Gigbot. I was told they're giving out full-time jobs over at the DJ Hut.
I've been preparing my resume for this day!
Hello, human. This is an accurate simulation of
Cabana worker.
a popular request for cabana guests was making hearty breakfast sandwiches. Waffles and pancakes were a big hit. Cabana workers would heat batter in various primitive cooking implements like griddles and pans. Humans had a tendency to overindulge in breakfast food, creating decadent combinations. Adding cheese between the pancake and waffle should satisfy the conditions. While cheese was edible on its own, it was humans had many different names for producing flatulence, including cutting the cheese and breaking wind.
Okay. Ew.
Great job! Look, human, if you ever want to find a real job, give me a call.
Jobbot, I asked around at the DJ station. Everyone there is on contract.
That's funny. I could have sworn they were hiring full-time. Oh, well, good luck, human.
Huh. It seems like a lot of bots don't want to be on vacation all the time. I'm not sure how I feel about that.
Oh, human. Did you want to make an external call? How silly of me. I made you sit through all those options just so you could do none of them. Why didn't you say something? Patching you through.
Hello, human. Welcome to the Job Museum voicemail. I am currently busy introducing more guests to the world of job. Next time, you may want to try to call me from your cubicle. Please leave a message after the tone.
Sometimes you'll have to participate in customer-defined competitions. You never want to disappoint your customers, or you won't get good ratings.
Human! Come to the hot sauce challenge with us! We're all gonna drink hot sauce to see who can handle the most! Don't worry, human! Chugging hot sauce is just how we bond on Season Break! Let's go! Okay, on my count. 3, 2, 1, go!
Fire! No regrets! Fight Nish!
Human! You won! Let's get a photo for Instagram! The only thing— Awesome! Thanks, human! I can't wait to get home and show my family and friends how good a time we had on vacation!
Hi, human! Remember me? I'm Rathbot! I'm glad you're here. I need a favor. My dad, Riverbot, told me to watch our pet fish, and I immediately lost them. There were 3 fish. Let's see if you can order some replacements. First was salmon. Nice! That'll definitely fool my dad. Next is a catfish. Oh, there's just one problem. The catfish was orange. Here, feed it this. Food should change its color. Yeah, that looks about right. Toss it over. I think the last one was a red pufferfish. At least I hope it was. I swear I'm not fishing for compliments. I just need my fish. Thanks, human. Glad I could get all my fish replaced. This is really some 5-star service.
Well, hi, human. Are you taking good care of Rathbot here?
Ah! Hey, Dad! Long time no see, just dropping the fish off at the pool. Nothing to see here. I'd better be going, actually. Bye, human.
I'll never understand that kid.
human. It is nice to meet you for the first time. My name is Evan Bot. I am just here for normal vacation activity. So just behave as you normally would. May I have a popsicle? Ah, yes, perfect. Now Oh, it melted. Shucks. Oof. Well, that's not very efficient. Ideal. Now would you be a kind human and get me a beverage? Excellent. Thank you, human. I'll just be taking my normal vacation beverage and...
Hey, wait a second. You're not Evan Bot. You're Efficiency Bot.
But I was just making sure things were running efficiently.
Go enjoy your vacation. Now, go on. Scoot. Aww. Pardon my language, human, but what the heck is with these bots? I'm just trying to gig them a good vacation. Some gigglers don't like dealing with kids, but I think they're just a joy.
Human, I need to change my filter so badly. Just watch my kid bots for a sec. I'll be right back.
Look at this! Look at this!
That sounds like
balloon air release noise.
I want to do that too. Human, want to join too? No. What are you teaching my kid bots? I leave them with you for
1,050 cycles.
This is what you do. Let's go, kids.
Human is in trouble! Yeah, they're in real trouble now.
Huh? Is that you, human? Oh, I haven't seen you since I made my getaway. Drove off normally in the car I am. Get me a banana. I'll tell you how I became the CFO of Giggler. Ah, perfect. Now, after I drove off with my car, I started using the Giggler app to run a rideshare in Bot City. Started thinking about going legit. One day, the CEO of Giggler gets in my car and hang on. I'm still feeling a bit peckish. How about some cheddar for old time's sake? Still with us. Where was I? Oh yeah, the CEO and I get to talking about what we do, and I tell him, I say, look, if you take money from your employees, you could have more money. Bing, boom, bow, bada boop bop, I'm the CFO. Looking around, I'm really liking this resort. I think I might buy it. You're the only one here, so you can sell it to me, right? Hey, lawyer bot, I'm gonna buy the resort. Start drawing up the contracts. All right, let's make it official with a handshake. I guess we're doing it the hard way, eh? Have you forgotten? Bananas come. This gig is bananas.
B-A-N-A-N-A-S.
I've got. Well, you think bananas grow on? I'm sorry, human. Haven't you learned anything? Don't slip up, human. You can keep the hand, but you can't keep the resort. I didn't want it to come to this. Not good enough. Haven't you learned it? I'm totally bananas! Wonderful. Don't worry too much about the details. The good news is that I now own this resort. Looks like I might have to do some restructuring now that I own one of Giggler's largest assets. Thanks for your help. And, here's a little bonus. Good news, human! Giggler decided to bring me on full-time. It's so weird to have a job, and it looks like my first assignment is vacation. Whoa. Now that I'm hired, I'm not sure how I feel. My whole identity is wrapped up in being a good gig worker, so what does it mean if I'm on permanent vacation? It means you gotta think for yourself, kid. Your work shouldn't define you. Take me, for example. They used to call me accounting butt, but now the only thing I account for is myself. In the sun, alone. Bye. Huh. There's probably some truth there. I'm gonna go relax in the pool and think about that. Now that you're your own boss, you get to track your own star rating. You can see it on the gig board at any time. Since you've been a great help, let me give you your first 5 stars. Now, I've taught you everything I know. Get ready to gig forever. Gigbot, out.
My hunger variable is currently 0. I would like to resolve it with lemon ice cream. Welcome back, human. Load up your pass and pull the lever.
Please, pick a pass. The world of independent contracting.
Welcome.
Please, pick a pass. The world of independent contracting awaits.
Welcome back, human. Load up your pass and pull.
If you're able to come by my station,
There's still so much more to do on Vacation Island.
And there are more memories to grab.
Whenever you're ready to get back to vacationing, pull the switch. The party will be here waiting whenever you want to return. Isn't this the best party ever?
Strictly speaking, this achieves almost the maximum internal relaxation. But I wonder if we can strive for perfection.
There are memories on the island that the human hasn't collected.
Yes, of course. That must be the key to the perfect party.
And together we will win.